Hello and welcome to this presentation on the Bell program. My name is Cody Mann and I'm an engineering facilitator at the program. Facilitators are working engineers from industry who are now working within engineering education and act as liaisons between our students, community college partners, and industry. Our engineering education model is unique, and for this presentation, students who are currently enrolled in the program tell the story of Bell. They are excited to start their careers as working engineers, and we hope you enjoy.
This is Brandy Mackey, and I'm a facilitator with the Bell program. Now I'll talk about the Bell program timeline. Once a student transfers to the Bell program from community college, they begin a 1 semester long period called the Bell Academy. This is an intensive training period where we cover professional, design, and technical skills in depth. After that period, the students work for 2 years as paid co-ops anywhere in the world. The typical length of a co-op is 6 months. However, a student can work for one company for as little as 3 months, all the way up to a 2-year period. We are very flexible on this time. After the co-op 2-year period, a student graduates with a Bachelor of Science in Engineering.
Hello, my name is Brandon Hillhouse. During the first semester of the Bell program, we went through the Bell Academy, an engineering boot camp in which we were taught crucial skills to not only acquire jobs, but to thrive in our new positions. Technical skills, design experience, teamwork, and professionalism are just a few of the important areas we focused on. By the end of the Bell Academy, we found that we had mastered the ability to efficiently manage our time, apply the technical skills we learned in the field, and solve open-ended problems with strict deadlines.
My name is Peyton Malcolm. At the Bell Academy, all student engineers get to work on 2 industry projects before leaving the Bell Academy for their co-ops. For example, one of my projects was working on a team of other Bell students on a project for Minnesota Power. We got to apply engineering fundamental principles, use modern tools, communicate with the client, and most importantly, we all worked together as a team to produce a design that would add value to Minnesota Power. By having students work on multiple industry projects, they will gain valuable experience that will help them be better prepared to work in industry and add value to the companies that they work for.
Hey, my name's Katie Martindale. I'm currently on co-op with a company called Braun Intertech, and before I started this, I didn't even realize what a great opportunity having a co-op is. I have learned so much about civil, geotechnical, and environmental engineering in the past 3 months, and I don't believe I could have learned half of this by watching YouTube videos or sitting in a classroom. And this is why the Bell program is so special. They're giving us all the opportunity to be on co-op for 2 years before we graduate, and this hands-on experience in industry allows us to meet and network with engineers, develop our professionalism, and make important decisions about our career early on. So when we graduate, we know exactly what we want to do, how to do it, and who to talk to when we need them.
Hello everyone, my name is Baam Laksode and I'm a cohort 2 Bell student. I couldn't ask for a better engineering institution, to be honest. I consider myself lucky because I was there to attend the presentation that Cody and Andrew gave back at my community college. Bell has given me the opportunity to feel optimistic and hope to become a better engineer. But even more than that, Bell is the type of environment where I can make connections with people and build great friendships out of. I was not used to calling my professors by their first name. Here, everybody calls everyone by their first name. This breaks the boundary between the idea that, oh, you're my professor and I'm your student, so I won't open up to you. All the faculty and facilitators are here to give us motivation and aspiration in addition to the education. This is very important in a learning environment, especially for student engineers, because we all know how engineering can get stressful from time to time, and the only way to copy with that will be by having a positive energy. I believe we're all grateful for the positive energy Bell has given us, and therefore we're happy, as being happy is really about being grateful for what you have. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Madison Kimbrell, and here at the Bell program, we have to have a solid grasp on our presentation skills. By doing this, we get practice during our IRE talks, PsyOps exams, and any presentation that we give, including this one now. Presentation skills become very important when talking to our employers and anybody in our field that we need to convey information to.
Good day, everyone. My name is Jacob Abraham. and today I want to talk to you all about self-directed learning here at the Bell program. Now, this is one of our central facets, because if we can master the ability to teach ourselves, we can not only teach ourselves technical knowledge that will assist us in our career fields and our future jobs, but we can also master the ability to teach and learn about ourselves as individuals. Having these 2 points of knowledge allows us to grow as individuals and as engineers. We can identify problem areas within our behaviors and seek a solution to overcome those areas and solve problems faster and better as an engineer.
Hello, my name is Lena Harden, and I'm going to talk about the opportunity we were all given to work on 2 different open-ended problems during the first semester while we were in Minnesota. These are called CIOPs, which is short for Creative, Innovative, Open-Ended Problem Solving. This process allowed us to choose a specific focus in each problem. Not only were we able to go through a design process, but we were also able to present our final solution to a panel of Bell faculty and fellow peers. Going through this 10-hour process for each problem allowed us all to gain tools and provide us with a process that can be applied to open-ended problems in the years to come.
Hello, my name is Andy Gaines. The Bell program gives students the opportunity to learn and familiarize themselves with modern tools. Modern tools include tools like physical machinery to the software you'd use on your computer. We've had the opportunity to gain experience with physical machines such as 3D printers, laser engravers, and water jets. In addition to the physical machinery, we were also able to gain experience with software such as SolidWorks, MATLAB with Simulink, and LT-Spice. These softwares open up tons of possibilities for communicating ideas for our various projects with 3D modeling, creating block diagrams for control processes, and modeling electrical circuits to understand their functions. Learning about and utilizing modern tools allows us to be efficient and effective students and engineers.
Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed Salahuddin, and when we talk about inclusivity, we think about the practice or policy of including people in various tasks. But what if inclusivity is a mindset? A person who has an inclusive mindset behaves in a way that welcomes and embraces diversity. Here at the Bell program, that is exactly how we approach diversity, that is through an inclusive mindset. At the Bell program, we learned that inclusivity is more than having variety. It is about having more options for a solution. With these different characteristics, we tend to look at things from a better perspective. Since we all come from diverse backgrounds, we have different ideas for solving problems. By being inclusive engineers, we Bell students will be able to find solutions in the most effective and efficient way possible.
Hi, my name is Ayub Mazuz, and I want to emphasize the importance of life-work balance. In the Bell program, we have lived experiences that no other program would ever let you live. Why is that? It's only because of a simple fact. They care about us. They care about what we are, what we will be, what we were. They simply care about us. Engineers are supposed to improve the life of people in a society. How can they improve the life of people if they don't have a life themselves? It's simple logic. The concept of life-work balance is extremely important and is ignored by a lot of school systems. But in order to have a performing engineer, he needs to have a healthy mind. And that comes only with a life balance. When you join the Bell program, working becomes a million times more fun because you know you'll be rewarded with free personal time later. Bell program is the best representation of humanity and is also the future of engineering, our engineering.